YouTube? It's me again. I'm gonna turn this light off here. Guess what? Remember this thing? This is the Utica tools wrench. Well, I blasted it with a torch. Didn't do shit. Well, guess what? This little piece, it moves. It's moving now. It's like, it's not moving more than like a millimeter, but it has movement. Oh, let's move a little more. It's actually budging. So, you know what? Houston, this is awesome. Like, this thing was fused in there and it just clicks now. So maybe by like next Christmas, I'll have it. Maybe I'll try the screw in here again. Screw didn't do anything. Don't mind the ugly glasses. I call them birth control glasses. I don't expect the screw to come out, but I'm guessing, you know what? I got it to move. I got it to move a millimeter. Hey, we're getting somewhere. Or I'm gonna drill a hole and turn the door handle. Why not, right? But it's a nice little wrench. I've been buying crescent wrenches. See, I got this one here. This one. Crescent brand wrench. These are the latest ones I got. I like crescent wrenches. I like the old ones a lot. I probably said this in every single video. I like the older ones because when you're using them, the newer ones get all sloppy and they just loosen up. And you're constantly readjusting them. I find the older the crescent wrench, you set it to it, it's nice and stiff, and it just stays there. And you can just keep using it and using it. The newer ones are all sloppy. You use it like 2 turns and you gotta readjust it. Use 2 turns and readjust it. So they're a piece of shit. Anyway, thanks for watching. I gotta go. I'm going over to Border tomorrow. Buy some tools. Yeah! Thanks for watching.